Alright guys, so today we are starting with an amazing application called Ace Wallpaper, and this one is different from other wallpaper applications. Now the first thing is that it has a relatively low collection of wallpapers, so not too many images, but the ones that it has are categorized into several categories such as hustle, travel and all of these cool things. If you just wanna keep your home screen clean and minimalist and you just wanna throw something top of it like widgets, quotes or anything, then this wallpaper will be great for you. It is very small in size, it's free on Play Store and quality is great. So check it out guys, link is in description below. Now moving to the next application, it's a launcher application, Fastkey Launcher. I never recommend any launcher for daily use, but believe me, this one is different from others. It's fast, looks good and yes, it's free on Play Store. You can launch any app with just a couple of taps right from your screen. You can fast access to all your apps using the always on keyboard. You can also find a contact in a single tap and can call directly from the home screen. Fastkey Launcher is a light and fast home screen replacement for Android. So check it out guys, link is in description below. Alright guys, now moving to the third application, we have Volume Notification app. I put this application in this top 10 list because you can access all your device sound directly from the notification drawer. This tight little application becomes particularly useful when you want to keep or share any media streaming during a voice call, or simply when access to a physical button is limited, or you just a fancy full of touch device. But it can also be a lifesaver when you need to quickly toggle that background or you never wished you had it. Well, now you do. It's very useful for those ones who have broken their volume buttons. It's free on Play Store. So check it out guys, link in the description below. Now moving to the next application, we have Double Home application. This application turns off the screen when you double tap the home button. Double Home is the easiest and fastest way to turn off the screen. This app also supports fingerprint unlocking. Turns off the screen from anywhere, just double tap your home button to turn off the screen. It has many settings available in settings menu. It's fast and awesome edge glowy effect. It's free on Play Store, so check it out guys, link is in description below. Now moving to the next application, we have a call and app lock application, Couchgram app. It locks incoming call. We can have full privacy for our incoming call by setting passwords or fingerprint. It also has the app lock which protects our phone logs, text messages, photos, videos, etc. with pattern password, even with fingerprint. It can also hide caller ID, rename caller ID and can also auto delete the call logs. And it has also many features available. It is free on Play Store, so check it out guys, link is in description below. Alright guys, now moving to the next application, we have a direct chat application. If you like the chat heads feature of Messenger, then this application is for you. This app named Direct Chat allows you to add this chat head feature for all applications or any messenger. It manages all your conversations in one place to help you to have a convenient conversation without interrupting your current task, such that you can read and reply to all messages without ever coming online. It comes with 40 messages support by default. It also suitable if you want to all your notification to appear in chat heads. You can also customize the chat appearance to suit your needs with different colors and transparency. It is also free on Play Store, so check it out guys, link is in description below. Alright guys, now moving to the next application, we have TaskZ app and automation app. TaskZ is an app that opens apps for you or reminds you to open based on your context. This app is a small brother of Tasker. Tasker apps requires root, but this application doesn't require root. The context can be a combination of weather, headphone state, time, location and user activity. This one allows you to control when apps open. For instance, you can have the app automatically launch your music app or YouTube or whatever you want when you plug in headphones. There are a variety of triggers that revolve around things like headphone, weather and other variables. It should work with most of apps as well. You can have it automatically open apps or just send you a notification to do. You can click the notification and open the app immediately. It's not amazing, but it's definitely handy. And it's free on Play Store, so check it out guys, link is in description below. Alright guys, now moving to the next application, we have a sleep timer app for music. Actually, this app don't stop music by time only, it also stops music by tracking the songs. This app works by monitoring your music app then silencing it after a certain number of songs have played. For example, set the app to count for 5 songs and after 5 songs have played, your music will be silenced. It also has a normal timer mode that will silence the music when the timer ends. It's free on Play Store, so check out guys, link is in the description below. Now moving to the next application, we have a clipboard application Clipo. Clipo creates a quick and smart actions for your copied text and shows them as a notification and beautiful list in the app. You can see all your clips in a clean and materially designed list. You can quickly copy an older clip to the clipboard for using it. Get a quick action to search a copied text from the search engine of your choice like Google, Bing, Baidu, etc. It translates, shorten links, open link, add to context, email, speak out the word you copied with one tap, export, import, backup your clips. It also converts text to QR code instantly with one tap and share it to your friend. Clipo has no ads, no freemium stuff, no donations and it's free on Play Store. So check it out guys, link is in the description below. Alright guys, now moving to the next application or the last application of these top 10 apps, we have an educational app like Photomap. But this app is not limited with only mathematics. It also supports other subjects like English, history, physics, chemistry, etc. So the application name is Socratic and it is completely free, no in-app purchases, and this app is a lifesaver. Take a photo of your homework question or math equation and get explanations, videos and step-by-step help instantly. Socratic combines cutting-edge computer vision technologies which read questions from images with machine learning classifiers built using millions of sample homework questions to accurately predict which concepts will help you to solve your questions. This app is free on Play Store, so check it out guys, link is in description below.